up, people? How's it going? So just going over the market again, going over a potential trade that I might be getting myself into. What I'm going to start doing is just going over the trades that I'm in on the market, and obviously taking you guys along with me to see how I analyze the markets and stuff like that. Okay, so what we do have at the moment is USD CAD. USD Canadian dollars. You can see on the weekly time frame we are printing lower, we are on a downtrend at the moment. Okay, has come back up to test this level, which I do quite like. Obviously it's taking out some of the people at the minute here for liquidity, but as you can see, look, it just goes the whole way across. Clearly a strong level of support and resistance at the moment, so we're going to go basically off of that for the weekly time frame to either push further down to here or even further down to these levels as well. For the daily time frame, as you can see, we're printing a red candle right now. Engulfs 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 if we do get a closure in this level. So very good. That's what we're looking for at the minute. 4-hourly time frame, like I said, we've got this engulfing candle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these candles here engulfs. This one engulfs these all as well. So a strong push to the downside. Now it's gone back up to retest this level of support and resistance here as well. So hopefully, if we do get a nice engulfing candle now on the next one, which we've got 8 minutes. So hopefully this candle closes and the next candle is a engulfing candle. We either look to get in early on this entry, something like this. If it does come back up, it can retest these levels here as well, which is the only problem. The next candle can retest these zones. So I'm not too sure if we want to get in early. But if we do get a closure of this candle in the next 8 minutes and then maybe an engulfing candle or something like that, then we might look to get in something down here instead for the next candle that opens. And we can still target, we can either target these, which is a nice we can target this for 1 to 2 realistically, and then we can target all the way down here obviously for a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Okay, so pretty decent trade. So what we're going to do is wait 8 minutes for this candle to close and see what happens on the next one. Just quickly, another trade I was going over as well. We have got GBP USD also, which is obviously printing higher highs and lower highs as well. Daily time frame is up, an uptrend. Also got the weekly time frame uptrend as well. Came back down, retests of this level here, looking quite decent. So what we're waiting for now is a retest of this level. If we get a nice candle closure, obviously we've got 6 minutes, but if this candle closes somewhere around this zone and we get another bullish engulfing or something to the upside, then we might look to get in on GBP USD as well for a decent trade like this. If we can go back, there isn't really anything that we can actually target previously. On the daily we might be able to target something. The daily time frame we can probably target zones like this, target zones like this, target zones up here as well. So keep an eye on GBP USD as well. So I am looking to get into this position. I don't like the fact that this candle just here has closed without a wick too much. So I think we're going to wait to see what this next candle prints in the next 4 hours. Or if we get an engulfing on the hourly time frame, we might look to go in. But as of now, not very confident with the trade, but something like this would be decent. So see how this next hour pans out. Just extra trade recap. Just going over at the minute, we didn't get a strong rejection, like I said, so we saved ourselves a loss here because we would have had stop loss around there. So we saved ourselves a big loss by waiting just for the next candle to print. We are now getting a push up to this zone here, which I like quite a lot. If we do get a push up to here and a rejection, then we could potentially see a trade from this zone. Same type zone as well, all the way down. So maximise the profits, even more profits for the same stop loss. So we'll see what we can do with that, because obviously we had the position here, which was all the way down to here. So we will get the position up here, so we get even more of a profit. So we can do something like that. So we'll see. Wait for this candle to close and see what we can do. But we have got 3 hours. So also got GBP USD as well playing out quite nicely. So we'd have to see what happens with this one. Could potentially get another trade either on this or on USD CAD. So in a little bit of a predicament, not too sure which one I want to go in with. All trades do look quite good. We've got GBP USD, we're waiting 30 minutes for this candle to close. If we do get a engulfing of this previous candle here, we could look for buys on that. Euro USD, similar type movements, they are a similar market. Come back down, if we get an engulfing of this candlestick, we could look to buy all the way up. I think I'm preferring Euro USD because it has already printed these candles, so it could very well come back up to these levels, whereas it hasn't really printed this full candle yet. It was wicked out here, so I'm preferring Euro USD. But we've also got USD CAD as well, which has come up, just had a rejection of this level. So if we do look to get in off of something like this, could potentially see, well, obviously be a little bit further down now. If we do get a close of this candle, we could potentially see something like this as well. Maybe wait for a close underneath here, like this, and then a retest, and then a continuation. So all trades look pretty decent, but what we'll do is we'll just keep an eye on them for now, and see what happens. Keep you guys updated. So what I'm thinking I'm going to go with is GBP USD. I mean, it's the best for, I think personally. I don't really like this price movement here for Euro USD. It's not very promising in this area, so I'm not feeling that. GBP USD has got a nice structural move. It didn't break levels here. Continuing push to the upside, and moving on this as well now, an engulfing candle. Same with this as well. USD CAD has got to break through all of these levels of support and resistance, so I don't really feel like I want to get involved with this one. Plus it's been consolidating around this zone for quite some time, so I think GBP JPY is the position we're going to get into. Sorry, GBP USD, and hold a trade like this for a 1 to 2, and see what we can do. So we're ending the trade now. Okay, so we are in on this position at the minute. We are in a little bit higher up than that actually. We're in about there now. We've opened 3 positions, 0.1s with, I think we're looking to risk £20 per trade, so it's about 80 quid, £80 on the trade. Obviously with a chance, what we're going to do is we're going to put one of the trades for a 1 to 2, just the reward, which is up here. That'll be our 1 to 2, which should be there. Cool. Yeah, so one trade will be a 1 to 2. The next will be a 1 to 3, and then we'll just try and let the other one run and trail the stop loss. So I'll keep you guys updated on the trades. But currently, if I'd taken all 3 positions, that's what that's looking at. Looking at a fantastic, juicy, amazing, fantastic trade. Yeah, I did just wake up from a nap. That happened. But this is if we took all 3, log into my actual account. Currently sitting at this bullshit. This is just one trade, by the way. This is 3 positions on one trade. This is 3 0.1s on, sorry, this GBP USD 3 0.1s. Currently 57.99 in profit. It's come down a little bit. I'm not too happy with this. This candle, fantastic. This one, average. Quite annoying, but I mean, we've got this here for it to bounce off of if it does come back down, which is just entry. We'll have to wait and see. Euro USD is pretty strong, and we've also got CAD as well. This is pretty strong. We might enter on this for a second trade if it comes up to this zone and does this. We might enter off that to the downside, so I think this might be a very juicy trade. We might open a bigger position and see what we can do on that. So we might close this trade early for a, whatever this is, 1 to 1. Might just close for a 1 to 1, get out, and then open a position on USD CAD, but we'll see. I'll make my mind up after I finish the gym. So about an hour. Morning people. So as you can see, GBP USD hit TP. It's going up to around TP3, which I'm going to hold it for now on this. I think could hit that zone, so we're just going to leave that one for now. 1 to 2 did get hit though. Euro USD being hit as well. So you might hold that out for a 1 to 3, or it already was a 1 to 3 pretty much. Might hold that out for a 1 to 3, see if you can get up to that zone. As you can see, positions on closed. You've also got USD CAD as well, which is kind of playing around this zone a little bit. I like this though, so potentially just continue dropping from here. So we're just going to hold this and see if we can get any further down. If we do break this level, it is promising that we're going to keep going down. But yeah, GBP USD hit TP, now it continued to go up. See if it hits TP3, and same with Euro USD. That is the trades of the week. Follow, like, subscribe, and stay up to date. Peace.